Maintenance secrets to long-lasting use of a biodigester. So I did a video about how I constructed the newly designed soakaways for homeowners and how I've tried this one particular soakaway with a family right here in Accra. And basically, they have been using this biodigester for 1 year, but then I got a call about a problem that they're having because of the soakaway.
I'm not sure what this is. Yeah, we have messed with it since. And the water was just flowing that way.
So the water, sometimes it comes.
That's the only time.
That's the only time it came.
Yeah.
And it rained?
No.
Not really.
It wasn't raining that day or the day before.
Okay.
And this was the only area that was wet.
Yeah.
I don't know why it happened. I just know that was full of water.
Yeah.
And like I said, there was little water around this thing, but I couldn't see what was leaking.
Yeah. Now on this channel, we do videos that explains to homeowners how to construct biodigesters and use it as an option in terms of managing their solid waste. We also do videos that basically shows you how to construct a simple on-site biodegradable toilet with biodigester. I'm in the business of biodigester construction, and I have constructed over thousands of biodigesters. In this video, I'm going to give you biodigester maintenance secrets to long-lasting use of your biodigester. Soakaway. The soakaway is way down, hidden under the ground. So the key to all this conversation is that whenever you do construct a biodigester and you have left the ground, you have left the site, and your work has been done, it's still good to keep an eye on what's going on in terms of what is happening on the site. So for this particular project, what we did was to hide the soakaway. It was hidden under the ground, so that whenever the concrete or pavement is done, it will be completely buried, just like how you can see from the other side of the property. But apparently when the groundwork was being done, they thought that they seen a soakaway there. The ideal thing for them was to project it up. But by projecting it up, it still need to be covered. Otherwise, any small leakage, it will show up in the house. And if there's any smell or there's any scent, it will obviously be part of the problem that they'll be having in the house. And that's what happened to this particular digester. So what we are going to do, or what we are doing, is basically to take out the water, drain all the water from it, and then go ahead and put a top slab on it so that you can always have access to the water. Next time it needed to be collected, it can be collected out of the soakaway that we did for this particular digester. What we are doing is to just extend the soakaway, and this time we are going to give it an access by putting a top slab on it, so that anytime there's an issue, we can always have access to it instead of the way it was. We have come to do the correction. The issue, as I've said severally, was because of the access that was given to this side of the soakaway. Ideally, it should have been buried under the concrete, and then probably the sand will seep under it. What we have done is to take out the blocks and then give it a top slab, as well as an access to the wastewater. So the idea is that because there was an opening to the soakaway, whenever the water gets full, obviously there was an outlet, so it was coming out, and that's why they was smelling the water, and then the scent was over the place. But right now, what we have done is to give it an access, so in case, in the worst case scenario, that the water comes up, and then it gets filled up, and then probably they are flushing the water from the house and they can't get it right, then we can come and have an access to this place here, and probably pump the water out if there need be. So we have given it an access now, and I think that's what we're going to help in the long term to solve the problem that we have.